What you need to know about kitchen colors. Color is very important design element for kitchens and bathrooms since it plays an important role in affecting our moods. A good combination of kitchen colors in the scheme of your decoration can make your kitchen look livelier and more appealing. However, mismatched color schemes can ruin your decor. Color can influence the mood of a room. For example, studies have shown that red can quicken the pulse and breathing rate, as well as increase appetite. Yellow, especially soft yellows, can make people feel happier. When used as an accent, bright yellow can attract attention and brighten up a kitchen. You can also use color to influence how large or small a kitchen can feel. With kitchen color taking on more importance, many manufacturers of cabinets, appliances, flooring and countertops are offering the consumer more choices in colors. The best kitchen colors should include shades of brown, beige, yellow, pink or blue.